This is a set of 5 microcarving tools that are excellent for detailed work. The tips are very close to your fingers, so they're easy to control. The shapes are 2 U-shaped gouges, 1.5 millimeters and 3. And there are 2 V-shaped gouges, also 1.5 millimeters and 3 millimeters. The 5th tool is a straight one, and that's perfect for making textured lines. All 5 tools work really well on wood, as you see here, but they're excellent on linoleum or any other material that you need to add delicate details into the surface of the work.